Eviatan, Eitan, Avinatan, Guy, and Alon. Welcome to Beilinson. How wonderful it is to have you on. We are deeply privileged to accompany you through the first stage of your journey back home. A journey for which an entire nation has prayed and waited. At this very hour, the returnees are being admitted to the ward, embraced by their families, surrounded and supported with love and care by our teams. For each of them, we have assembled a dedicated and personalized medical team, including a physician, mental health professionals, physiotherapists, and dietitians. These teams are now performing comprehensive medical evaluations tailored to each individual's needs. Drawing from our previous experience, we have developed a unique medical approach for addressing the physical and emotional effects of captivity. This approach emphasizes multidisciplinary care, emotional strength, rehabilitation, and helping each returnee rebuild their health and their lives. This evening's reunion between the returnees and their families was powerful and deeply moving. We are now giving them the space and quiet they need after such a long and difficult time. Caring for the returnees is a national mission. At Beilinson Hospital, we act out of a profound sense of duty and responsibility together with the IDF, the Clalit Health Group, Gaza Mental Health Center, and Schneider Children's Medical Center. And I would also like to express my gratitude to the Ministry of Health for its continued and close collaboration. Even in this moment of joy, we hold in our hearts the families whose loved ones have not yet come home. Eviatar, Eitan, Avinatan, Guy, and Alon, we have waited 2 years for you. Your landing this morning at Beilinson marks a moment of closure and the beginning of a journey of healing for you, for your families, and for all of us, for the entire nation that has longed for your return. Welcome home.
Good evening. Today, we welcomed at Ichilov Hospital Omri Miran, Matan Angrest, Nimrod Cohen, Matan Zandgauker, and Eitan Horn, who returned to Israel after more than 2 long years in captivity. The 5 returnees are currently undergoing a series of medical evaluations, and their condition appears stable, allowing them to focus on reuniting with their families who have missed them dearly. In the coming days, they will continue to receive comprehensive medical and emotional assessments carried out at a pace and in a manner suited to each individual's condition and wishes, as well as those of their families, whom we have had the privilege to know in the recent days. When the returnees landed today at the Ichilov helipad, their families and friends awaited them from nearby rooftops and windows, greeting them with cheers and joy. The Ichilov helipad, which saw hundreds of landings of wounded soldiers during the Iron Swords War, now closes a deeply emotional circle with the return of our people home. As always, we ask the media and the public to join us in respecting the privacy of the returnees and their families during these sensitive times. We at Ichilov are deeply proud and moved by the privilege of accompanying the returnees over the past 2 years and now, as they begin their journey back to free and full lives, especially today. We have prepared for them a private and welcoming area designed to feel like home, supported by a multidisciplinary team of doctors, nurses, psychiatrists, psychologists, social workers, nutritionists, and others, an experienced and compassionate team that has already cared for many returnees at Ichilov. Our work is carried out in full coordination with the Ministry of Health and the IDF, following established protocols and professional guidance. As we know, the road to recovery for both of the returnees and their families will be long, and we will be here for them every step of the way with humility, care, and sensitivity. The bond formed here is a bond for life, and Ichilov will continue to stand by them always. We join the people of Israel in marking this special and moving day. We also hold in our hearts those still in captivity and the fallen who have not yet returned, and we embrace their families during these difficult hours. Ichilov Hospital and the entire Israeli healthcare system are an inseparable part of our national resilience, and we will continue to stand beside the returnees, their families, and the people of Israel. Thank you.